Good day po teachers and other government employees. So welcome back po dito sa LearningPal, kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates. So ngayon po ay lumabas na nga po itong bagong loan program ng GSIS. Ito pong Multi-Purpose Loan Buyout Program or MPB. At ito pong loan buyout program, ang purpose po nito ay to settling the members' outstanding obligations with the institutions and GSIS, with GSIS loans being the priority in the restructuring of loans. So, kung gusto po natin malaman kung tayo po ay qualified to avail of this bago pong loan program ng GSIS, ay ilalagay ko po yung link sa taas para po ma-view natin ano po yung mga qualifications para po tayo mabigyan ito pong loan program. So, ngayon po, ang pag-uusapan po natin is magkano po yung maximum amount ng loan na pwede natin makuha dito po sa MPL Max. So, punta po tayo dito sa loan amount po, no? So, nakalagay po rito yung loanable amount for regular active members. So, sa 8 po, we have the maximum loanable amount. So, at least 1 month but less than 20 months. At least 20 months. Ito po yung mga, yung ating years of service. Kung ilan po yung pwede natin ma-avail. And then for permanent regular member, 1 times PMS. Ito po yung basic monthly salary. And then, meron po tayong non-career regular member. So, for at least 15 years, kayo po ay naka at least 15 years na po, qualified na po kayo for 19 times the basic monthly salary. For, yun po yung pwedeng maximum loanable amount nyo po na pwedeng okay? So, ayun po muna po teachers and other government employees. So, check nyo na lang po dito kung how many years na po kayo in service at ilan pong basic monthly salary yung pwede nyo pong ma-avail dito po sa bago pong loan program ng GSIS. So, thank you po for watching and I hope you subscribe po for more DepEd and government news and updates and free learning materials. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.